मैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, कंपनी के बारे में, उसका एडवांटेजेस क्या है, इस 3 लेयर्स में इसको बताता हूँ। तो आपको बेनिफिट्स क्या है मालूम पड़ेगा। सबसे पहले हमारी जो कंपनी है उसका नाम है दादाजी दादी इनपुटेक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। हम लोग बॉम्बे बेस्ड है एंड वी आर RBI अप्रूव्ड सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटर। So that is in last 5 years we are in this field. And this particular product is basically a mica printer. It is a dedicated mica printer. As you can see from here, there are two logos. One is of HP and other is Troy.
Troy Security.
Troy, both are from USA.
Okay.
And HP is a well-known company.
Yeah,
And they are known for providing inkjet printing technology and laser jet printing technology. But if you visit their website and see the complete product range, they do not have a mica printer yet. So what they have done, they tied up with this company called Troy. And Troy is again from USA, and they are since last 25 years in this field. And they have developed this technology of mica printing with all the security features, so that the misuse of security printing or check printing is avoided. That is the idea. This particular model, what I am demonstrating to you right now, is model 4015. So I'll just brief you about little technicalities also about this product.
Okay.
As you can see from here, this is a display here with the numeric pad.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you what is the
Alphanumeric.
alphanumeric pad.
Okay.
What is the purpose of this, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
And there are totally 3 trays. As you can see from here, there's tray number 1,
Okay.
2 and 3.
Right.
This is the first tray where we can
Right.
keep the papers.
Okay.
And it will take, for this is basically meant for taking the reports, MIS reports. This is a micro printing, so much of this mica toner is being used. Unlike a laser printer, the laser powder is used, but this is a mica printer, the mica toner. So only when the quality paper is required, then only this particular tray should be used. This is the second tray with the key, lock and key. In this tray we keep the mica. Okay, the checks of your, yeah, this is special. This is stationery which we keep. This is the paper, and there are 3 checks, 1, 2, 3. Here in this face down condition. Now, as I said, Troy is a company which has developed the security features. The one is this physical lock. As I said earlier, there is a numeric pad here.
Yes.
This is also a numeric lock. So you can give you some pin number and lock the printer. We can lock physically from here and numeric from here. And this is a unique feature not available in the normal HP or any other printer. So this gives you more security towards security printing.
Only authorized person can operate it.
Whatever pin you know, only you can open it. And when you know, so these are trays. So what happens in trays? Normally the front side is closed always. Further we are giving the lock, so nobody can open it. But back side is always open. The tray back side is always open. Okay, now this is a security printer developed by Troy. So what they have done, they have given the lock in the front, and back side also is sealed with the steel, so that nobody can even remove your mica stationery or misuse the mica stationery. That is the advantage. I'll just show you. Suppose this is the tray. As you can see from backside is closed. And this is covered here, so that nobody can remove the stationery. This is not there in the normal laser printer. Normal backside is open. Normal A4 size paper what we use. So this is an additional feature which is not there. Similarly, this function is for tray number 3 also. In tray number 3, we are keeping the. They are also in 3 part, 1, 2 and 3. Check also 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the first leaf of the checkbook on which the customer's name, address, everything is printed along with the bank details. So this is a non-mica paper. This is a mica paper. And both are having the locks. But right now we have brought this tray without the lock. But these both are having the locks.
But the significance of this is more than
this, yes. Because this is a normal paper.
So even
this
if it is not locked, it is not very security point of view. It's
not so risky. And this is the paper mark indicator. Like in case of fuel, petrol car indicators होता है. वैसे ये indicator है. Wherein it can show you what is the moment I detach it from here, you can see. I will attach it. You see the mark will automatically be recognized and will come down to a position till where the papers are there.
Okay.
तो जैसे ही पेपर खत्म होता है वो इंडिकेशन देता है and this printer is it's called intelligent printer. It speaks to you. So whatever happens, you get a message on the display. Suppose tray number 2, the papers are over.
Yeah.
This is a physical indicator. You forget to check at this.
Right.
We get a message on the display that tray number 2, papers are over. Similarly for tray number 3. Or for example, there's a paper jam inside.
Okay.
So that is a message also given, there's a paper jam. Then there's a toner inside, micro toner. If it's coming to end, it is finishing. That also message you get on the display that toner is coming to end. So these are all additional features developed by Troy so that it becomes user friendly.
Right.
Now, as I said, these are the physical locks.
Yeah.
1, 2. This is a master lock.
Okay.
Okay. If you see, there are 3 positions. 1, 2, 3.
Mica locked is there, printer locked and print mica.
Yeah. So if I keep it on print mica,
Yeah.
then only it will print
Okay.
checks. Otherwise, it will not print checks.
Okay.
If I switch it to printer locked,
Uh-huh.
then the printer is locked. And if I remove this key, I remove the tray keys and keep in the lock and safe, nobody can misuse the printer. Even you try to on it, it will not get on.
Okay.
So that is a great advantage because we are looking at the security part of it.
Right.
So this is why there is more concern. So there are 3 kind of locks. 1, 2, 3 master lock.
And this has
And
even
the
the
further lock is numeric.
selectivity is also there. It's like suppose if somebody is printing only this leaf, the requisition slip, then at that time he cannot use this. Is it so?
No. If you switch it off completely from your printer mic off,
Then it's totally off.
nothing can be printed. That is security.
Yes, if he is only printing this.
No, then you do keep it on the micro printing. Then you print the micro print. Use the micro tool. So apart from this, what we have done, this is one physical, this is mental satisfaction for the customer. Yes, मेरे घर को मैंने लॉक लगा लिया, लेकिन आप कहेंगे ये तो लॉक तो छोटा है, ये कोई भी तोड़ सकता है. तो आई एग्री, बट उसमें क्या होता है, इसको मिसयूज नहीं कर सकते. उसका कारण दूसरा है कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर हमने बनाया है, दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज केप्ट इन माइंड द वर्किंग ऑफ द cooperative banks, nationalized banks and private banks. Keeping in their working condition, we have developed this software as per the RBI guideline, as per the CPS 2010 standard, and this can be used by any sector. Okay. Now to operate this software also, there are 2 levels of softwares, blocks. The soft blocks we call them.
Okay.
One lock is given for the user, actually जो use करेगा, and second is for administrator. Suppose you are a boss, so you are given the administrator lock.
Yeah.
Without unless you don't fill in your login ID, I cannot open the software.
Right.
That is the
Most
beauty of
important.
it. Most important. And suppose I am a user, so I log in my ID, and when I give a print command, on every check leaf, you will find the check is having my either employee number or whatever my abbreviations. Every check will have. So you will come to know who was the gentleman on duty who was printing the check.
Okay.
That is the beauty of it.
Okay.
All security aspects are kept in there. Now I'll show you the printing. Already the data is loaded here.
Okay.
So I just give a print command
Yeah.
and I'll show you how the books are made.
Okay.
Now the printing has started.
Uh-huh.
The papers will come here.
Okay.
At one go, we are given the print command for 3 customers.
Okay.
And the printing speed of this machine is 52 pages per minute. In one page, as I shown you already, there are 3 checks.
Oh, yeah.
So 52 into 3, that is 156 check leaves can be printed in 1 minute. Now here, as you can see, a book is already printed.
Okay.
This is the first requisition slip which is taken from here.
Yes.
And these are the micro checks which is taken from tray number 2.
Right.
Now just to see, this Shah Impacts is the first customer.
Yes.
Prabodhan Prakash is the second customer.
Okay.
And for Computer Infotech, the third customer.
Okay.
We can check from here also. See, the first customer name should be Shah Impacts.
Yeah.
The second should be Prabodhan Prakash.
Yeah.
And the third is
Computer
Infotech.
That's
Okay, there's a beauty of it that you don't have to align it. It is already aligned. Okay, now I'll just show you. So the check series number is starting from 551.
Yeah.
So the first check number series has to be 551.
Okay.
Okay, the last check is 555. So the last check here, if you can see, it is 555.
Oh.
Then the next check will be 556.
So it is.
So automatically it has been aligned. मतलब एक जो डर रहता है बैंक को कि इसमें चेक हमको प्रिंटिंग होने वाले एक एक करके लगाने पड़ेंगे सीरीज में, नहीं,
ऐसा नहीं है.
इज ऑलरेडी अलाइंड. Okay. Now how to make a book? See how good easy it is.
Yes.
Just I bend the paper. You
Right.
can see there's already perforated.
Yes.
There's already perforated, and the beauty of this is we are having the latest Japanese printing machine in the plant.
Okay.
And we are RBI approved security printer.
Alright,
So we understand the security and quality or the technology.
Yes.
Now already it's perforated. I don't require a cutter, blade, nothing. I can keep 50 pages, 100 pages like this and I can tear it off. See how beautiful it is now. How easy I can tear it off.
Good.
This is the first book. Okay, this is now again I take a fold here.
Yeah.
And this is the
Second
book.
for the second company.
Second customer.
Yes.
Now this is printed. Now you see how to make a book of it. So I'll just show you how to make a book.
Okay.
Now just assume this is your bank's top cover.
Right.
So I keep it here.
Right.
This is the record slip
Right.
on which you will be writing to whom the checks have been issued.
Right.
And this is coming with the punch here so that you can see the serial numbers.
Right. Right. Right.
And this is your bottom cover. So this is already a pre-printed earlier only.
Perfect.
And this is we keep in stock.
Okay.
And now while training, we also give complete training how to use this machine for 1 day. Installation is free, training is free, 1 year warranty is there. Now binding is very simple. I can see a punch here.
Yeah.
Okay. What I
Yes.
need to do is I just staple it on this line.
Center. Correct.
Before the line is better always.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
before the line.
So that
Yeah,
you know,
while tearing it
cutting,
off,
tearing
it is
it off,
very
it
easy.
becomes very easy.
This is the self binding cloth or a sticker now.
Okay.
People earlier it was called as cloth. Now people use this as sticker. So this is a normal sticker with self glue. So you don't have to apply the glue on this again.
Right. Right.
Just take the support. So 1 minute. See how easy it is easy now. I just align it properly
Yeah.
and the checkbook is ready
First
for
class.
delivery.
Good. I have to only sign the check.
You only sign the check for the order.
Show it to us.
Thank you.
Very nice.